Hey guys, welcome to Vishwa YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can get the free Domino's pizza worth of 300 rupees and also the 500 rupees friends. So you no need to spend any amount. So here you can get the free Domino's pizza for the free of cost by using the Flipkart Supercoins. So in this video, I will show you how you can get the 300 rupees of worth of Domino's pizza for free of cost. You can follow the steps for the 1000 rupees one also. So friends, before going to the video, still if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also friends, this is a limited period offer. So now let's get into the video. First of all, open the Flipkart app and you can click on the super coins. So as you can see here, I have an 470 super coins here. So I will click on it and I will click on filter. Here I will get an gift voucher option. So when I click on it, when I apply it, so as you can see here, so here we got 299 one and 999 one here. So you may have different also sometimes. So it is a limited period offer. So presently I have two gift voucher. So you may see the difference also. So here as you can see how to claim and all complete detail have been given over here. So if you want, you can pause the video and you can read it carefully. So once you redeem from the Flipkart, so you can't exchange for the coin. So I will click on here. So if you want, you can click on S continue. So I will click on the S continue. So once you click on the get, so you can need to click on S continue. So as you can see here, I got the voucher and also the code also. So both the things what you have to do is, so here in the below also they have been clearly mentioned how you can use it. So now I will show you how you can exactly use this. So first of all, you need to follow complete all these steps friends. So before going to that, so pause the video and read the complete detail here. So now I have an 300 rupees worth of gift voucher here. So I will go to the Domino's app. So here what I will do is I will just select any pizza so worth of 300 rupees. So if you want to select the 1000 rupees coupon also, you can buy, say at same price you can buy this 1000 rupees coupon also. So you no need to worry about that. For the 1000 rupees coupon also, 999 also, you can follow the same steps. And also friends, here you no need to pay any amount over here. If you are exceeding the gift voucher, you need to pay. For example, if I am taking the 300 rupees worth of means, so you need to pay off like 300 rupees with the gift voucher. So if it exceed like 400 means, so you need to pay extra 100 over there. So that's it. So what I will do is I will select like a 999. So let us go to the everyday value and I will just select the things. So maximum I may not get the option to apply the coupon because they have been mentioned. So I will go to the advance and I will set the timing. So I will add and select the options. Okay, here. So I will select the date and time. If you want, you can book for the advance. So just I am checking. So I will show it here. So once you're done, so as you can see here, 346 rupees worth of I am ordering now. So what I will do is I will enter my all the details. So you need to enter the address and all. So once it is done, so here I will scroll down here. So what I will do is you can see all the payment option. So I will just scroll down. So here I'm not getting the payment option here. So as you can see here, you need to get gift voucher friends. So here you need to get the gift voucher option. So what I will do is I will cancel the advance order and I will keep it as normal thing. So as you can see here, I kept for the normal things and I will click on the place order. Here in the down, as you can see here, we got the gift voucher option, e-voucher. So what I will select it and I will select place the order. So once it is done, so you need to enter the code. So I will go to the Flipkart app. So once you go to the Flipkart app, here you will get an code over here in the top. Just I will tap on it. So code has been copied successfully. So I will paste it over here. So as you can see here, I will paste it here. Click on it, I will paste on it and I will submit it. It will ask for the gift voucher another code also. So I will click on pay. So you need to enter over here. So you won't get any OTP and all. Just you can pin is nothing but here only Flipkart will provide you the pin also here. So I will just paste the thing here. And once I paste the thing, so I will just submit this thing friends. So here I need to pay 46 rupees, that's it. So total 350 worth of like 300 worth of Domino's pizza I have been received. I will get successfully. So as you can, let us wait for the confirmation here. So as you can see here friends, the order has been confirmed successfully. Here just I need to pay for the 46 rupees itself. So here some tax or like delivery charge somewhat like that. So you need to pay 47 rupees. If you want also friends, you can order for the less price also. If you are planning for under 300 rupees also, you can pay it. And also friends, same like what I have been did for the 300 rupees, you can follow the same steps for the 999 also. So here you need to use your super coins, Flipkart super coins, to claim the free Domino's pizza. So you can see difference. Sometimes you may get 1500 rupees of worth of like gift voucher also in the Flipkart. So right now I have an 400, so I have been claimed for the 300, and also I have been got the charge for like 46 rupees somewhat like that. So if you want, means like if you don't want to pay that charges also, you want, if you want completely free, means you can just, what I can do is, so like you can order for 2 pizzas, and also you can add it like any cool drink like lesser price one, and you can pay the tax also under 300. You can pay all the remaining things, so you no need to pay anything over there. You can do like that. So here like I did not found any worth for that. So what I haven't done is, so I kept for the like 46 rupees I have been paid with my cash, and 300 rupees product I have been received successfully over there. So you too can same follow the steps for the 999. So this is a limited period offer, so you can, if there are any other coupons also, so I will update in our channel. So make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel friends. So first of all, and also if you are not yet joined to our WhatsApp group, just join to our WhatsApp group. So I will give all the updates over there also. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.